Welcome to our magical yoga adventure, where staying on the ground doesn't mean staying still. Today, we're exploring a world of gentle stretches, soft movements, and calm breathing, all while lying down comfortably. This session is perfect for children who want to feel flexible, peaceful, and happy in their bodies. As you settle onto your mat, imagine you're floating on a soft cloud, ready to explore movements that make your body lighter and your mind calmer. Take a deep breath in and let this peaceful journey begin. 1. Cloud rest. Pose. Lie down gently on your back, like you're resting on a soft, fluffy cloud. Close your eyes and feel your whole body melt into the mat. Now imagine this cloud is carrying you across a peaceful sky, helping your body feel safe and supported. Let your breath drift slowly in and out, as if the wind is guiding it. 2. Starfish. Stretch. Spread your arms and legs wide, making the shape of a star. Reach your fingers and toes away from each other, as if stretching to every corner of the sky. Feel your chest open like a shining star growing brighter. With every breath, imagine your whole body glowing with gentle light. 3. Tummy balloon. Breathing. Place your hands on your belly and take a slow breath in. Watch your tummy rise like a balloon filling with air. As you exhale, feel the balloon gently soften and float down. Keep breathing this way as your body becomes quieter and calmer with every breath. 4. Happy baby pose. Lift your legs, bend your knees, and hold your feet. Gently rock side to side like a joyful baby discovering the world. Let your back feel the soft massage of the mat beneath you. Imagine you're laughing with the clouds as your body becomes loose and free. 5. Lying butterfly pose. Bring your feet together and let your knees fall open like butterfly wings resting. Place your hands on your tummy or beside you. Feel your hips opening like petals of a flower blooming in the sun. Let your breath flutter softly, just like a butterfly resting on a leaf. 6. Knee to chest. Hug. Pull one knee into your chest and hug it tight. Feel your lower back stretch and soften. Imagine you're hugging a tiny warm pillow that brings comfort to your whole body. Switch sides and let the other leg feel just as loved. 7. Double knee belly. Hug, bring both knees to your chest and wrap your arms around them. Give yourself a warm, cozy hug. Rock slowly, like gentle waves moving across a quiet lake. Feel your spine loosen as you move with softness and care. 8. Supine twist. Drop your knees to one side while your arms stretch out like airplane wings. Look in the opposite direction and feel a gentle twist. Imagine your body wringing out all tension like twisting a soft cloth. Switch sides and let your back feel refreshed and open. 9. Lying cat stretch. Reach your arms overhead and stretch your legs long. Make your whole body long like a cat waking up from a warm nap. Feel your sides open as your spine stretches from top to bottom. Let out a slow ah breath to release any tightness. 10. Windshield wiper legs. Bend your knees, feet flat on the floor. Move your legs side to side like windshield wipers on a rainy day. Let each side movement sweep stress away like raindrops sliding off a window. Feel your hips becoming smoother and softer with each sway. 11. Lying down, mountain. Keep your legs long and arms by your sides. Imagine you are a tall, steady mountain lying beneath the sky. Feel the weight of your body grounding you into the earth. With every breath, imagine your mountain becoming stronger and more peaceful. 12. Reclined Pigeon Pose. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee and gently pull your legs toward your chest. Let your hips open slowly. Imagine your hip muscles sighing with relief as they stretch. Switch sides and feel your body become balanced and free. 13. Lying hamstring. Stretch. Lift one leg toward the sky and gently hold the back of your thigh. Pull it closer with each soft breath. Imagine your toes drawing shapes, circles, hearts, or stars in the air. Switch sides and enjoy the same gentle stretch. 14. Lying side body stretch. Roll onto one side, stretching your top arm overhead. Make a long banana shape with your body. Feel your ribs expanding like an accordion opening. Let your breath travel down the side of your body, bringing relaxation as it moves. 15. Bridge prep. Mini lift. Bend your knees, feet flat. Lift your hips just a little, like a tiny bridge rising over quiet water. Lower down slowly. Feel your spine ripple softly as you move like waves in a calm pond. Let your belly rise and fall with ease as you repeat the motion. 16. Recline figure 8. Stretch, lift one ankle and draw a gentle figure 8 in the air. Move slowly, exploring the shape with curiosity. Feel your hip opening in new directions with every loop. Switch legs and let both hips dance freely. 17. Lying twist with cactus arms. Bend your elbows into cactus shape and drop your knees to one side. Feel your chest open wide. Imagine sunshine warming your heart as your body expands. Switch sides and allow both shoulders to settle deeper into the mat. 18. Lying cobbler pose. Bring your feet together, knees open like a peaceful book. Rest your hands gently beside you. Imagine each inhale turning a page full of calm feelings. With every exhale, let your whole body melt like soft wax. 19. Full body melt. Stretch your arms and legs comfortably and relax your entire body. Imagine your muscles melting like warm butter. Let the earth support you as you sink deeper into stillness. Feel your breath moving softly, like a whisper across your skin. 20. Shavasana for kids. Stay lying still, eyes closed, breathing softly. Pretend you're a quiet star glowing in the night sky. Feel a peaceful light shining from your chest all the way to your toes. Allow yourself to be calm, bright, and gentle. Just like a star that never stops glowing. Take one deep breath in and slowly let it out. Your body is relaxed, your mind is clear, and your heart feels light. You've traveled through a beautiful world of calm movements and peaceful stretches, all without leaving the ground. Thank yourself for showing up, for breathing, and for taking care of your body. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers, roll to your side, and gently sit up. Thank you for joining today's lying down yoga adventure. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey, remember to like, subscribe, and come back for more calming yoga sessions. See you next time, little yogis.